Hello everyone. So we have another important question pertaining to probability here. So let's take a look. Lily pad 1, 2, 3 dot 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 lie in a row of ponds. Frog makes sequence of jumping starting from pad 1. From any pad k, the frogs jump to either pad k plus 1 or k plus 2, chosen randomly with the probability of half and independently of other jumps. The probability that the frog visits pad 7 is p by q, where p and q are respectively prime positive integers. So find p plus q. Okay, so let's try and solve this. Let pn be the probability the frog visits pad 7 starting from pad n. Okay, so so now the thing is that the probability is that the frog basically visits pad, basically p of 7 will definitely be 1. Why 1? Because frog definitely visits pad 7. Okay, so the frog will definitely visit pad 7, and similarly pad 6 will be half. Write this properly. Pad 6 will be 1 by 2. Why? Because because since the frog takes say k plus 1 or let me highlight this. Frog can either move from k plus 1 or k plus 2 number of pads. So therefore the frog may or may not visit pad 2. Frog may or may not visit pad 6. So there's only two possible probabilities of the same. Okay, so therefore we can draw a general conclusion here, being p of n is equal to 1 by 2 p of n plus 1 plus p of n plus 2 for all integers. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. So now if we take a look at p of 5, we have p of 5 being 1 by 2 p of 6 plus p of 7 being 1 by 2, p of 6 being half plus 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 are 2, so total 3 by 4. P of 4 being P of 4 being again 1 by 2, P of 5 plus P by 6, similarly giving us 5 by 8. And if we continue again, P of 3 similarly will come out to be 11 by 16, P of 2 would come out to be 21 by 32, and finally P of 1 would come out to be, let me just show you, P of 1 is P of 1 plus 1 is P of 2 plus P of 3, which in turn would give us 1 by 2, P of 2 being 21 by 32 plus 11, P of 3 11 by 16 equal to 1 by 2, 32, 21 plus 22 gives 43 by 64, that is P of 1. So therefore our required probability T equal to 43 by 64, where 43 is m, 64 is n. So therefore m plus n would simply give us 43 plus 54 is 107, which is our answer. So hopefully this thing is clear to you. We have explained in details regarding all the steps involved pertaining to solving this particular question. So I suggest you kindly go through the same so that you will get a better idea on how to tackle this kind of question. So with that said, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.